If you've ever needed to export a bunch of audio files from one Audacity project, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export multiple files in Audacity quickly and easily, whether you're working with separate tracks or using labels to split everything into different files. This is a super useful workflow for podcasts, interviews, music edits, and any project where you need multiple audio exports without doing them one by one. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Audacity project. This can be an existing project you already started, or a new one that you've arranged for exporting. The important thing is that your audio is already set up the way you want it before you begin the export process. Now, Audacity gives you two common ways to export multiple files. You can either use multiple tracks, or you can add labels to divide sections of audio into separate exports. If you're working with separate tracks, each track can be exported on its own. If you're using labels, Audacity can break one long recording into multiple files based on those label points. So before you export, make sure your tracks or labels are ready and placed exactly where you want them. Once everything looks good, go up to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Export. This is where Audacity gives you different export options depending on what you want to do. In the Export menu, click Export Multiple. This is the feature that allows you to create more than one file from a single project. After that, Audacity will open the Export Multiple window where you can choose how the files should be split. Here, you'll need to pick the format you want to use. You can export based on tracks or based on labels, depending on how your project is organized. If you want each separate track to become its own file, choose Tracks. If you set up labels to mark different sections, choose Labels. This choice is important because it tells Audacity exactly how to break up the export. Once you've selected the right option, click Export. Audacity will then process the project and generate all of the individual files for you. Depending on how many tracks or labels you have, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, your exported files will be saved in the location you selected, ready for use wherever you need them. And that's it. You now know how to export multiple files in Audacity using either tracks or labels. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can seriously speed up your editing workflow. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other Audacity tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.